Hello team. Okay, si Coach Tony to, no? And this is the Tagalized and simplified explanation ng Gut Backup Compensation Plan. So as you can see, there are three ways to earn. Okay, direct referral bonus, check matching, and binary matrix. Now, i-explain natin yan. Dito muna tayo sa direct referral, no? So you can see from the direct referral, pag sign up nung tao under you, okay, nag-pay siya ng 49.97 or 50 US dollars, and you get $20 from that. Okay? And that is an equivalent of 1,100 plus. So kung gusto mo ng regular income and then trabahuhin mo ito, kung makapagpasok ka ng 20 people a month, that will mean you have 22,000 pesos income. Okay? So the thing is, the product is needed, okay, storage siya, and the compensation really very attractive siya. Okay? And then for the amount of $50, one time lang naman yan, it is a business that we can work on that is available all around the world. So yung mga kaibigan mo mga OFW in the Middle East, in Japan, in South Korea or wherever, sisiw na sisiw sa kanila itong $50. Okay? Now, pag may nakuha ka na at magsusunod-sunod na yan, kikita ka na from them. Okay? So, start with doing your direct referral or direct recruitment. This will earn you the $20 per person. Okay. Siyempre, pag naging member na yan, to maintain the subscription to the storage, no? There is the $10 per month. That is $9.97, di ba? You earn $2.50 or more or less 130 pesos plus per month per person. Imagine if you have 100 people under that. Okay? Ilan yan? 13,000 pesos a month. Dito pa lang. Di ba? So, I'm saying na ito pwede mong gawing career. You don't need to, what you call this? Quit your job, part-time mo lang ito, you contact 2 or 3 people a day, and then i-offer mo sa kanila ito, and then, kung kasali siya dito sa team natin, definitely magkakaroon ng spillovers, which will matter in the binary matrix, no? So anyway, we're ahead, no? So ngayon, yan yung ating direct referral. Okay? Check na tayo sa direct referral. What is the check matching? Pause ko muna. Okay, so guys, check matching naman tayo. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng check matching? Simple lang po ang check matching. Okay, this is you, no? And then, you will have multiple people under you. Okay? Gawin mo tong negosyo. This is just a referral of a very, very good product or service. So, dito, may A, may B, C, D, E. For each of these people, bawat income niyan, you get 25%. Pag tsumeke si A ng 1,000 US dollars, okay, ang umaakit sa'yo is how much? 25% of that is 250. So goes the same. Kung sino man, let's say another, ito, $500. Okay? Ang aakit sa'yo, how much? 125. And then, umakit sa'yo dito, let's say, kumita ito ng $100. Okay? May $25 ka dyan. Iba-iba ang capacity ng mga taong mag-business, di ba? So on and so forth. 25% ang kita mo. But wait, there's more. Because, for example, okay, itong si D, nagkaroon siya ng tao. And yung tao niya nagkaroon na E, F, G. Si G, let's say, kumita ng how much? 1,000 US dollars. Diba? Umakit ngayon yan. Magkano kita nito? Let's say, kumita din ito ng $1,000 din. Mga performers sila, magkano total income ni F? Mag-a-additional siya na 250. So, ang kita ni F is 1,250. Kuha ninyo, papasa kasi yan. Infinite yan, guys, hanggang pababa yan. Okay? So, kung meron ka nagtatrabaho dito at may income, lahat yan umaakyat ng umaakyat yung 25%. 25%. So, dito, what is 25% of 1,250? Yan ang kikitain ni D. Okay? So, 1,250, 250 plus 50, 1,300. Okay? Sorry, ang kikitain pala dito is 1,000 is 250 Okay, ang 25% niyan. Yung 250 is $50. So, 300. So, let's say $1,000 din ito plus 300. So, 1,300 ang kikitain ni D. Ikaw naman ngayon, ang kikitain mo, how much? 1,300 times, magkano yon? 1,000 times 25%. So, as long as may kumikita sa ilalim, umaangat yung komisyon. That is what we call check matching. Ibig sabihin yung mga direct mo, those people are who you sponsor directly, kung ano yung income nila for that month, yan ang aakyat sa yung 25% nun. Okay, ito total mo of course. So that is the check matching bonus. I hope malinaw. Okay, so now binary matrix tayo. Kung familiar kayo sa binary, ito yan, di ba? And then, hiwalay ito dun sa direct referral. Okay, so dito sa binary, as you know, you are only given 2 slots when it comes to the binary. Bakit sinabing matrix? Because matrix means that may bubuuin kang structure or ratio of 4:2. So dito, for simplification, let's just assume na itong left side, okay, this is the left side and this is your right side. Sa left side mo, si A, nagkaroon ng dalawa-dalawa lang yan, di ba? Okay. So, ilan ito? Okay. So, you can only have 2 spaces here. Gagawin natin itong si B and then si C, D, E. Okay. So, dito makikita mo, you already have 4 people here. That is your 4. Ito, 1 pa lang. Okay? So, that means, anong nangyari? Ikaw ngayon naka-recruit ka. So, anong gagawin mo? Dahil kasi si B, medyo hindi pa magaling. Okay? Ang gagawin mo ngayon, lalagay mo dito kay B. Dito si F. So, what does that mean? Na-fulfill na yung 2. Okay? So, what does that mean? That is already equivalent to 1 cycle. And usually ngayon, nakikita natin on the podcast or on the talks, 1 cycle is about 8 to 12 US dollars. So assume mo, worst case scenario, $8 in Filipino pesos. That is already equivalent to 40, ilan yan? 450. Guys, that's already 450 pesos per cycle. That is on a monthly income. So what does that mean? Ito kasi, ikaw, yung mga tao, ako, ang dami ko na dito. I already have 8. Wala na akong direct referral, no? So lahat ng trabaho ko ngayon, bababa na sa ilalim dahil puno na yung ganito ko. Left and right ko na direct, puno na. Sa binary binary lang yan. And dito, once you make the 4/2, this is what we call the matrix. Okay? Ibig sabihin, may 4 ka, for every 4 here, and every 2 here, you create 1 cycle. Okay? That's the matrix that you need na dapat mo mabuo. So what does that mean? Okay, target yourself. Okay, create a target. Gawa ka ng goal. Okay? What does that mean? Itong goal na to, what if you want 100 cycles? Why? I-deconstruct natin yan or i-ano natin. Bakit? Ilan yan? So 100 cycles times 8 USD. Magkano po yan? That is 800 US dollars or that is 45,000 pesos. Guys, that is monthly. Per month yan ha. So you just need na mabuo mo ang 100 cycles. So anong ibig sabihin? That means meron kang 400 kung i-refer natin dito, no? Meron kang 400 on the left and meron kang right na 200. Yan ang cycle na nagme-maintain lahat yan ng $9.97 per month or $10 per month. So you just need to create this. Okay? Napakasimple po dito, imagine. Napakadaling kumita. Makabenta ka ng isang account, you already have 1,100, mame-maintain mo na yung iyong account. Diba? How much ang maintenance per account? It's 1 USD. Okay? Sorry, hindi USD. That is 10 USD pala. So we have to USD. Magkano ang commission mo per gawin na lang natin ganito. Yan ang monthly mo. Monthly. Magkano ang commission mo per person? It's 20 USD, di ba? Yung direct referral. That means, pag hindi ka nakapagpasok ng tao, that means you're not working. Okay? Ang daming OFW friends that can afford this. Ang daming mga foreign nationals na Filipinos, di ba? Nag-abroad na sila. They're already citizens of abroad. So this is an international company available where the internet is. Kung saan may internet, pwede ang got backup. So yan $20 na income mo, hindi dapat pahirapan yan. Kung hindi ka nagkaroon, dahil kasi ang dami mong pwedeng pagkakitaan, it means hindi ka nagtrabaho. Konting trabaho lang ito. I'm not saying na dapat konting trabaho, hindi. Dahil kasi kung hahatawin mo to, if you will work for this, in the beginning pa lang, napakalaki ng potential nito. Bakit? Okay, so nakita na natin yung per cycle, naintindihan na ninyo ha. I'll explain to you now kung bakit importanteng mag-build ka ngayon na. Pause. So, further explanation on the potential of the binary matrix. Binary matrix. Way to earn. Okay? This is powerful pang long term. Why? Because, number one, sa binary, only 2 slots. Left and right. That means, ano ibig sabihin yan? Spillovers. Whether you like it or not, magkakaroon ka ng tao sa ilalim mo. Okay? Lalo na kung ang team mo, tulad ng team natin, who are really working for direct. Bakit? Guys, ako, gusto kong kumita ng initially pa lang gusto kong kumita ng 50K. What does that mean kung 50K? I need to create 50 direct referrals. So, dalawa lang yung sa binary, di ba? Okay, what does that mean? Ito ang binary, oh. Puno na ako dito. Kung saan-saan pa yan, Kung saan-saan pa yan. Puno na yan. Anong gagawin ko? Yung dalawa dito, there are 48. Okay, yung left and right ko, minus 2. There is still 48 people that will I eventually have to spill over. Bakit? Diba? Bakit? Paano kasi? Nagbe-build nga ako I wanna have a lot of people under me because pag mas marami ang tao mo at nagtrabaho din yung mga yan with the same energy, with the same, what you call this? I wanna have financial freedom, guys. And ang kitaan dito, dollars. Okay? And I've seen it already. You can use GoTime to sign up and you can also use GoTime para doon magpunta. Yan, plug kaibigan natin yung GoTime. Para mag-income ka from Payoneer. Diretso na pupunta sa GoTime mo or pwedeng Union Bank, pwedeng kung ano-ano mong debit card po pwede yan dyan. So this is online friendly, guys. Kung may mga kaibigan ka abroad, they can easily afford the $50 na sign up and they can easily afford, of course, the monthly. Worth it naman dahil kasi 6 terabytes, di ba? Okay, now, imagine this. Anong potential nito? Siyempre, pag sumali ito, hindi naman, ako sasabihin ko, guys, hindi po pwedeng tamad dito ha. Ayokong kakargahin ko kayo. Sasabihin nyo sa akin, hindi kayo kumikita, and it's a bad business. 'Di ba? Hindi totoo yun dahil kasi hindi mo tinrabaho. Napakadali nga nito eh. So, let's say, okay, magtatrabaho ito. Magkakaroon din ito ng spillovers eh. 'Di ba? And then, ikaw ito, magkakaroon ka rin ng spillovers. Guys, yan ang power ng binary. And so goes the same on this side. Okay? And the next thing you know, everybody is contributing to the economy, to the flow of money. Okay? Bababa lang yan ng bababa. Just commit to do well with this because ethical itong business na to. By the way, this is infinity. Guys, infinity yan ah. Infinity, ibig sabihin, okay, sorry, pababa pala yan. It goes down. Okay? So, as long as merong mamamatch dito, what if you have 4,000 here on your left and on your right, you have 2,000. Again, ilang cycles yan? That is 1,000 cycles. Ilang ano yan? Times, sabihin mo na lang 8 USD. $8. That is $8,000, guys. Ilan yan? 450K per month. What if ma-build mo ito? Okay, ilan ito? 2,000. What if ma-build mo ito by June 2024? What if na-build mo na lang, let's say, kalahati nito? Diba? Which is 500 cycles. Magkano ang 500 cycles? Eh di hahatiin mo ito. You're already earning. What if you're just making 200 cycles? Guys, 200 cycles times 8 US dollars, that is 1,600 USD. Meron ka ng almost 100K. Hindi pa nakakount yung iyong direct referral, hindi pa nakakount itong check matching. Gaano kadaling magbuo ng 200 as compared to 1,000? Imagine this. Pag nakita ng mga tao, kumikita ka na ng 5K, kumikita ka na ng 20K, magtataka na yan. This is free money. Guys, this is free money that you have built over time. Why? Because lahat ng tao nagsispill over pababa eh. Lahat ng tao nanganganak. Okay? That is the power of the binary matrix. Sana nare-realize nyo. Okay, ilan pa lang ang members ngayon ng Got Backup? Okay? So, this is infinity. Ang members pa lang ngayon ng Got Backup, kung di ako nagkakamali, dahil hindi ko na-check recently, dati na ano ko is around 40K. Global. Guys, how many gadgets are there? Sabihin mo na lang, there's 8 billion human beings. Out of those 8 billion, ilan ang may gadget? Theoretically, I think it's about mga 2 billion. Guys, yan ang market, oh. All nationalities, all countries where there is internet. And there is the need for income. Okay, this is, guys, this is what we call passive, massive income. Guys, ito na yung hinahanap natin. Simple lang. Okay, what do you need to do? What do you need to do for your passive, massive income? Enter now. Now. Bakit? Nagkakaroon na eh. Dumadami na yung tao eh. Mahuhuli ka ba? If you enter now, then all the spillovers will be, you'll be able to maximize it. Okay? Magkano lang ba yan? That is only 50 US dollars. Okay? Yan lang oh. Yan lang ang i-worry mo because yan ang wala ka pang income. And just make sure na by next month may nakatabi ka ng $10 for your month 1. Okay? Tapos, trabahuhin mo. Okay? Ako, if I have already 5 people, 5 times, magkano yung commission ng ano, ng entry, 'di ba? $20. Okay, that is 100 USD. Okay, so how much is that? That is already 5,500 USD. So guys, hindi biro itong pinapag-usapan natin dito sa gut backup. So I hope you realize how massive the potential. Ano ang maganda? Hindi mo kailangan i-full time ito. But the thing is, this can give you financial freedom. This can give you time freedom. Because when you're earning already from like, let's say, sabihin mong 100 cycles. Magkano yung 100 cycles? That is $800. Hindi lahat ng Pilipino sumusweldo ng 45,000. Okay? So imagine what you can do when you are already earning 45,000 or 200 cycles, almost 100,000 pesos. Diba? You can already pay attention to other projects. Magtayo ka ng farm. This is what we call foundational wealth, guys. This is what we call foundational wealth. And it all starts at $50. Mas maganda dito, mature yung system. The company is already established for 25 years or more. And they are already, may data center itong mga to. And they are not new to the business. Mga veterans na itong mga to. They are really IT people. So, I strongly recommend, habang konti pa lang ang global membership, become a member now, and lahat ng kakilala mo sa abroad, okay, itap mo na. Not only that, invite mo rin yung andito sa Pilipinas because sila din may kilala din sa abroad. Because andali ng ROI dito. Return of investment ng $50, magkaroon ka ng 3 direct referral, bawi ka na. Di ba? That is $20 times 3, that is $60. Tapos ka na sa $50 mo. Okay, ang daming pwedeng gawin para makuha yung $50 and that's not my problem. You have to be accountable to this. When you enter this, ayokong malulugi ang bawat isa sa atin. When you enter this, gusto kong kumita tayong lahat. Okay? So what does that mean? We have to work together. So that's it for now, guys. And I hope na-explain natin na maayos sa inyo ang comp plan ng gut backup. God bless everybody and let's get to work.